Verify that the circuit breaker has a hole in the switch tongue. Place the circuit breaker in the off position. Place the lockout device over the circuit breaker using the smallest rectangular cavity that will fit the switch tongue. Squeeze the lockout closed while making sure that the insertion pin is fully engaged in the hole in the switch tongue. Insert the padlock through the hole in the lockout device and attach the worker's tag. Lockout cleats are used with lockouts for circuit breakers with long, sliding switch throws. To start, snap the locking cleat to the base of the circuit breaker lockout device. With the circuit breaker in the off position, install the cleat and lockout device with the cleat in the recessed area of the circuit breaker. Rotate the front wheel clockwise to secure the lockout device to the switch tongue. Attach the padlock with worker's tag. Pull out the desired length of cable and run the cable through the associated devices to be locked out. Place the looped end into the slot of the mini cable lockout device. Compress the self-winding push button to draw access cable back into the mini cable lockout. Now rotate the top of the lockout clockwise to the fully locked position. Insert the padlock in one of the holes to secure the locked position. Put the circuit breaker in the off position and place the lockout device over the circuit breaker switch tongue. Rotate the thumb wheel clockwise to secure the lockout device. Attach the padlock and worker's protective tag. This device is available in 3 sizes to accommodate a variety of circuit breakers. Place circuit breaker in the off position. Place the multi-pole lockout device on the circuit breaker tie bar assembly. Rotate the thumb wheel clockwise to secure the lockout device to the circuit breaker. Attach the padlock and worker's protective tag. Place the base of the lockout over the ball valve handle. Then, slide the mating attachment over the end. Make sure the handle is captured in the cavity of the mating attachment. Finally, insert the lock through the hole that provides the tightest fit. To install the wall switch lockout, first remove the wall plate screws. Then, reattach the wall plate along with the lockout device to the switch. Place the switch in the desired position and close the lockout device. Insert the padlock with worker's tag. To install the safety padlock, first insert the padlock key and turn left to release the shackle. Reattach the safety padlock to device. Insert worker's tag and close shackle to secure. This device is available in a variety of colors, sizes, and materials. Place electrical panel in off position. Separate and slide hasp ends in opposite directions to open device. Clasp lockout device on panel switch. Push steel hasps together to secure lockout device. Insert the padlock with worker's tag. Safety hasps are essential for group lockout scenarios and can accommodate up to 6 workers' padlocks for one device.
Brady provides the tools you need to keep your employees protected. Introducing Twist and Secure Safety Covers. They temporarily prevent access to machine start and emergency stop buttons in no time. Use Twist and Secure covers on a wide range of control buttons and switches. They fit all standard control buttons with a variety of covers and bases. The low-profile bases require a simple one-time installation. Your equipment operator or maintenance team then apply the versatile covers over the buttons they want to secure. And the durable covers are tinted red, so you'll know at a glance that the control button is safely secured from operation. Continued innovation. From the global leader in comprehensive equipment safety solutions. Visit Brady online for more information.
Locate the small holes in the center of the circuit breaker casing. Select the appropriate pin-in or pin-out circuit breaker device. Place the circuit breaker in the off position. Press the lockout device push button to disengage the pins. Position the pins into the small holes of the casing by releasing the push button. Attach a Brady safety padlock through the lockout device hole to complete the lockout. Tie bar. Place the circuit breaker in the off position. Put the metal clip under the tie bar and between the poles. Rotate the thumb wheel clockwise to secure the lockout device to the circuit breaker. Insert the padlock through the hole to secure the device in the locked position. For single pole breakers, use either the pin-in device or one of the two pin-out devices. For multi-pole breakers, the tie bar solution is recommended.
Turn the gate valve to the closed position. Open the lockout device and place it over the gate valve handle. Make sure that the rear opening of the device is smaller than the diameter of the valve handle itself, so that it cannot be removed when secured. If a single worker is locking out, attach the worker's padlock directly to the device, or use the safety hasp to accommodate lockout by multiple workers, each with their individual padlocks. This device is available in 5 sizes to secure valve handles as large as 13 inches, 33 centimeters in diameter. By using the unique knockout feature, this can also accommodate rising stem gate valves. This device is available in several sizes and colors to allow for varying sizes of gate valve wheels and multiple uses.
Run the cable through the energy isolating device to be locked out. In this case, the cable lockout is being used to lock out a gate valve. With the trigger released, insert the cable through the all-purpose cable lockout and pull tight. Compress the trigger to lock the cable in place. Insert the padlock through one of the holes in the trigger to secure in the locked position. The all-purpose cable lockout can be used with either a non-conductive nylon cable or a durable sheathed metal cable. The universal valve lockout can be used to lock out ball valves, butterfly valves, and gate valves. To lock out a ball valve in the off position, compress the hand wheel to open the clamp and slide the universal valve lockout onto the valve handle. Rotate the blocking arm against the pipe in the direction of the valve rotation. Turn the hand wheel clockwise, tightening both the clamp and the blocking arm. Finally, insert the padlock through the locking hole to secure in the locked position. To lock out a butterfly valve in the off position, compress the hand wheel to open the clamp and slide the universal valve lockout onto the butterfly valve handle, between the trigger and the handle. Turn the hand wheel clockwise to tighten for a secure fit. Insert the padlock through the locking hole to secure in the locked position. To lock out a gate valve in the off position, insert the cable through the cable hole in the universal valve lockout and pull the cable through. Compress the hand wheel and slide the clamp onto the valve handle. Pull the cable to remove any slack. Then, turn the hand wheel clockwise, tightening both the clamp and the cable. Insert the padlock through the locking hole to secure in the locked position.